My name is Timothy Fernandez and I am requesting the government of Goa to let us live in peace and harmony with our mother nature. Please do not drown us, and I'm requesting the government of Goa to build a road on steel.
What's your name?
My name is Timothy Fernandez.
And from which school?
Won't he want to listen to the voice of the people? Does he want to only bulldoze his way out? Why aren't the villages which are concerned with this, their opinions, their views taken in? You all are destroying nature. So this is no more democracy. There is no democracy here. You are going to say you are going to charge somebody who is trying to oppose. We are not telling to scrape. We are not opposing a project. We are saying put it on stilts. If you could do from Kortali to Verna that entire stretch on stilts, why not here?
Why have the Benali people woken up now at this hand tower?
The Benali Gram Sabha has
You all
been
support the people of Sarauli?
the Benali Gram Sabha has been very vocal since 2016. This is the last resolution which I have seen. Until even the last Gram Sabha. That
Has
we
the
have,
resolution has gone to the authorities?
for that reason I wanted the panchayat. We've invited the panchayat members here, including the MLA has been sent a message, the same WhatsApp, because we've not used any other medium of communication. Just WhatsApp messages to parents, to teachers who wanted their children not to miss this opportunity of seeing an ecosystem wherein you have lakes, trees, birds, fishes, everything existing together.
See, all this what we have seen, everything will be gone, and it's very sad to lose all of this. The full ecosystem will get destroyed and nothing will be left. We have learned in school that about the environment, and we have also learned that our teachers have told us human beings and their activities cause the greatest danger to the environment or nature. Yes, we are causing danger or destruction to nature, but then we can still save it. So please, let's take a step forward and save the nature rather than completely destroy it. There are NGOs who are working for this. Cooperate with them and stop with development is not just bridges. Develop something so that we also children need to take part. Start agriculture. Children will be happy to help.
Children's Day, and as a mother of Corinne and Kiara, I felt it was my responsibility, my prime duty to show them this place which is going to be destroyed. I have seen it, and my children who are 11 and 13 will be seeing it now. But the generations to come, will they see this? Last 2 days we were in the panchayat at the collector trying to tell them stop that reclamation, that destruction which is going on with the western bypass coming from this side. No heed, nothing is happening. We got an assurance there will be an agitation, there will be dredging, but it's going to be taking years. We don't know when. But today, as a mother, I felt it was my responsibility to call all these children here. We just sent a WhatsApp message to mothers, to parents. Get your children here. Click pictures with your children to show them this nature. 31st December 2019 is supposed to be the deadline given by the High Court to complete this work. So 2020 we never see any this. So for this reason, I made a file and they might reach here. If you go slightly ahead, you'll see the work going at such a haste. So we wanted this generation to at least have memories of this. Otherwise, we request all parents, I'm not talking about panchayat members or anybody, if they cannot come here, it is their wish. But as parents, please rise up to protect this environment which we want to save. If we have enjoyed this for these years, it is our duty to keep it for our generations to come.
एक कॉपी खंय धाडटले तुमी म्हाका?
भुरग्यांनी पळय सायन केल्या न्ही, that we want to send to the panchayat first. Today, so many panchayats have held Gram Sabhas, Bal Gram Sabhas. The voice of the child also has to be heard. We will send this to them. We will send it to our MLA, of course. We will send it to the CM. We will send it to the PW Minister. And we also plan to send this in a proper format after drafting our problems to the United Nations Environmental Program.